How to draw Wade Ripple from Elemental. We are going to start by drawing the outline of Wade Ripple's head. For this, we are going to draw a U-like shape that has a small diagonal line going up and to the right on the left side of that U shape. Then to the right side of that U shape, we are going to draw a curved line going downwards from the top of it. This is going to be part of the top of Wade Ripple's head. Then we are going to draw a small curved line to the left of that. And then we are going to draw another small curved line connecting to the left side of that U shape for the outline of his head. Then to finish drawing the outline of Wade Ripple's head, we are going to draw a curvy M shape near the top right side of his head. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to draw an upside down U shape in the middle of his face for his nose. Then we are going to draw a circle connecting to that near the top right side. This will be his right eye. Then a little to the left of his nose, we are going to draw another circle the same size for his left eye. For the next step, we are going to draw a smaller circle inside of those two circles that we just drew. Great job! Now let's do the same thing for the other eye. Then inside of those circles that we just drew, we are going to draw a small black circle inside of them near the bottom. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We're all finished drawing the eyes. Next, we are going to draw the eyebrows. For this, we are going to draw two small rectangular shapes above either eye. Next, we are going to draw the mouth. For this, we are going to draw a big oval shape in that open space in the bottom of Wade Ripple's head. Then we are going to draw a line going straight through the middle of that curved oval shape. Then going downwards from that curved line that we just drew, we are going to draw a small curved line going downwards connecting to the bottom outline of the mouth on both sides. Then we are going to color in the small part on the edges of the mouth black. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Our drawings are looking awesome. Next, we are going to draw two lines going downwards from the head for the neck. Next, we are going to draw the collar of Wade's shirt. For this, we are going to draw a rectangular shape connecting to the bottom of the lines that we just drew for his neck. We will start by drawing the rectangular shape on the left side, which will be slightly slanted downwards. towards the middle. Then we will draw the rectangular shape connecting to the right side of the neck. This will look very similar to the one that we just drew on the left side. Then we are going to draw a small line near the top of those shapes connecting them together. This will be part of Wade's tie. Then connecting to the two sides of the collar of the shirt, we are going to draw a V shape in the middle. Now we are going to begin drawing Wade's right arm. For this, we are going to draw a curved line that is going to start at the right side of the collar of his shirt, and then it's going to go downwards and curve back upwards, just like this right here. Then we are going to draw a diagonal line starting a little bit above the line that we just left off at that will go downwards and to the right. This will be for the outline of the arm as well. Then we are going to draw a straight line going upwards from the right side of that line. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Our drawings are looking great so far. Now we are going to draw that straight line going upwards near the right side of this line. Then we are going to act as if that line continues downwards right here and draw a small line below the arm. Next, we are going to draw the sleeve of Wade's shirt. For this, we are going to draw a straight line that will be right here. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw the left arm. For this, we are going to draw a curved line starting at the collar going downwards here that curves upwards towards the right arm. Looks great! Now we are going to draw the top outline of the left arm. This is going to be right here. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to draw a line for the left side of the body connecting to the line that we just drew for the arm. This will be right here. Then we are going to draw a line for the sleeve on the left arm similar to how we did on the right arm. That will be right here. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Next, we are going to draw his hands in the area right here. For this, we are going to draw curved lines for the fingers on the left hand going downwards from that top outline that we drew for his left arm. Then we are going to connect that downwards to the bottom outline of his left arm. Then, for the right side, we are going to draw a curved line connecting the bottom outline of the right arm to the hand of the left arm. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. For the final step, we are going to draw Wade's tie in the middle of his shirt behind his hands. This is going to go right here. For this, we will draw 2 long lines going downwards from the top part of the tie to the hands, and then we are going to draw 2 lines going downwards below the hands that come to somewhat of a point at the bottom. This is how to draw Wade Ripple from Elemental. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would like us to draw next, and stick around until the end to see our drawing all colored in. Thanks for drawing with me!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.